Hi, I'm Katie, and I am a social 2 on the Enneagram.
So I'm Chris Schoolcraft. I'm an Enneagram type 5. My subtype, dominant subtype, is self-preservation.
Hi, my name is Tracy. I resonate with an Enneagram 1. I would say my subtype is social dominant.
My name is Ashley Woods. I am a social dominant 7, self-pres repressed.
Hey, my name is Jody and I'm an Enneagram 4 and my subtype is self-pres.
Hi, Milton Stewart, Enneagram 7, self-pres, dominant, sexual repressed.
Tell me about your experience so far.
It is one of those where you are thankful for the knowledge, but also not just your head stuff, but what you experience and the shifts and even the potential, right? There's like so much hope for us as humans, and sometimes we can feel so down about ourselves, but this helps us feel like there's so much hope for us.
It's been amazing. I've done Enneagram work over the last couple of years. I've done general self-discovery work and self-awareness work, but I haven't experienced anything that incorporates the body, the mind, the heart, and also incorporates practical applications for the stuff that I've learned. So it's been really helpful for my own self-development and thinking about how I can continue to grow with the Enneagram and how I can apply that to work with the people that are in my sphere of influence.
This has been an interesting or a great experience for me. I was actually, quote, in the hot seat. And through the experience of going through the typing interview, was able to really narrow down my type and gain more clarity on where I resonate.
Really fascinating to be able to connect with people who are clear about their types and their subtypes, get to see the different ways that they present. That in and of itself, the community has been really helpful and educational.
So in a somatic way, I'm really fascinated how the 3 instincts, and we can utilize the Enneagram to do body work, to get in touch with the things that we're not in touch with. So that's how I'm using it after this workshop, hopefully.
This week has been absolutely amazing. I'm super thankful for the work that B and Urania have put into this workshop. It's doing a lot of good work from every level, from the intellectual level to the soul level to the heart to the gut to the body, everything you can name. It's been touching here, and that's all related to our spiritual level, which as an Enneagram practitioner, it's super important if we're really going to transform people to start to understand the impact of the spiritual level of the Enneagram.
And how do you use the Enneagram?
I use the Enneagram for coaching. I also pastor a church, and I use it in the work that I do with my staff and my lay people, and I use it for self-development as well.
And I've used the Enneagram mostly for myself. Up until quite recently, I started leading workshops in my yoga studio, just kind of at the basic level of, people getting interested in it, and just slowly we've started to generate the conversation a bit more, and people are actually kind of geeking out on this in my community. So we kind of have like this little underground club that meets. It's nothing formal. But I want to bring it more in a more directive way with the yoga clients that I see in my studio.
I lead retreats and coaching programs. I work privately one-on-one with clients in a coaching capacity, and so I use the Enneagram in every layer of my business.
I'm super excited to take this back to the different communities that I do work with and I have access to, and working on spreading it as much as possible so we can work on healing people and helping people and actually making this place a better place for all of us.